You said, sit down, let's have a conversation. I shrugged, not now, I have a headache. You laughed, said that's just all that noise inside, all that build up you never let break. You said, give me a break, you're not your mistakes. And the room kinda tilted, my heart hit the brakes. Thought I knew who I was, why I kept people out. Then you asked me one question, turned my whole life around. You said, let me chip in my 2 cents here. What if being scared's not something you erase? You traced your coffee cup, eyes on the window, said maybe fear's just love in a safer place. You said, give me a break, you're not your mistake. And the words cut a key through an old rusted gate. All the build-up I carried fell quiet somehow. In the middle of a sentence, my defenses sat down. I used to twist every echo into warning, every silence into proof I was wrong. But you stayed through the storm until my doubt sounded small in your calm. You said, give me a break, you're not your mistake. And I finally believed you, it shifted my weight. We just sat there and had a conversation so plain. Now I look at my life like it's brand